Want to enable dark mode in the DeepSeek AI app? It's quick and easy, and it helps reduce eye strain, save battery on OLED screens, and make nighttime use more comfortable. Open the DeepSeek AI app and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the two horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From there, tap your profile picture at the bottom to access the app settings. In the settings menu, look for the app section, where you'll find options for app language and color scheme. By default, the color scheme may be set to System, meaning it follows your phone's dark mode settings. If you want to enable dark mode permanently, tap on this option and select Dark Theme. If you prefer the app to follow your system settings, leave it as is and simply enable dark mode on your phone. On iPhone, open Control Center and toggle on dark mode. On Android, go to your display settings and enable dark theme. Once dark mode is activated, the DeepSeek AI app will instantly switch to a darker interface. Enjoy the sleek look of dark mode in DeepSeek AI. If this guide was helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.